sorry, but to vlog our life is literally make us not live in the moment and letting me shrink 10,000 pounds. Okay, so my buddy doesn't know that like when you have blonde hair, you treat your hair with purple stuff to make it like, you know, not so brassy. So I'm gonna try to see if you'll believe if I say I'm dyeing my hair purple. I had manic episode. I have purple dye in my bed. I am. No, I am right now. I am right now. Stop. Stop.
Jump in.
No, I am.
We'll jump in.
Do you like the purple though?
Yeah. It looks good.
Okay. Make her purple.
No, you're not.
I am. I am.
Go shower. Alright, I'm jumping in the shower.
Why are you such a bully? First you eat my sandwich.
Go
Then you
jump in
bully
the
me.
shower.
So we're a little lit. He's currently vomiting in the bathroom. But we'll survive. We'll survive. Oh my god. She's a queen. She's a full queen. She's a full queen. My Uber's outside, but she's still a full fucking queen. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
2,000 years later.
So this man came over, tried to sell us a non-profit cheesecake, and then and then we're me and Dawson are sitting here like this, like just chilling here. This man comes up and was like, "Would you like to buy a cheesecake to help the homeless?" And then there's this like baby bird, probably already dead, sitting on the sidewalk. This motherfucker plowed through that fucking baby bird and like crushed it. Like its insides are on the outside. And I sat there and I was like dying laughing when this man's trying to sell me a non-profit cheesecake, apparently. And I tell him, like, you just, I'm like, I really would love to talk to you, sir, but you just stepped on a baby bird. And he's like, oh, it wouldn't have survived anyways. I'm like really traumatized at this point in my life. And I'm still staring at the broken-necked baby bird and I don't know what to do. Oh my god.